Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back from the dead and ready to curse your eyes with yet another mediocre video. If you've seen any of my last few videos, I'm sure you know by now that my cat is perfect in every conceivable way. And it just so happens that we've come up around the date that I first adopted her years ago. So, I'm gonna throw my cat an adoptiversary party. Let's get started. Step number one, we gotta make ourselves some party decorations. I recently discovered that I don't actually own a single piece of blank copy paper anywhere in my house, but I am in possession of this stack of graph paper. So that's what we're gonna be using for our party crafts today. Listen, I got some kind of like cold or allergies or something going on right now, and there's nothing I can do about the hideous croaky quality of my voice, so I apologize for that. First off, I think we're gonna make ourselves some party hats, and this one's gonna be mine. There we go.
Okay, listen, when I filmed this video there was still like 100,000 sub difference between the two, but now it looks like T-Series is going to pull ahead before I can even post this, so if I made that sign for nothing I'm going to be heated.
And we roll her up. Gosh, this is a little more complicated than I anticipated it. No! Maisie! Maisie, help! Frick! How to make party hats. Okay, all we gotta do is cut this sucker into a circle, just like that, and then we just gotta cut a little piece out of it. Boys, we are back in business. It kinda renders the general message somewhat illegible, but I can live with that. This party is gonna shred. So next up, we're gonna make the party hat for the guest of honor herself. And this one will, of course, be written in gold. Here we go. Snip. There, okay. So if you look real closely, you can see I've just gone ahead and drawn kind of a portrait of, I've just gone ahead and drawn just a little portrait of Maisie right there on her hat for her. And I've gone ahead and drawn a little birthday hat on her birthday hat portrait. So that's just a little bit of party hatception for you. So, hats are done, and now we're just gonna put together some quick little party decor. I'm gonna run out of room on that one. Oh, this is such a good cat party. Crafting complete. I'm back and I'm ready to rock and roll. We gotta make my special birthday girl a special birthday cake. Quit! Maisie, don't do that. I was digging around on Pinterest and I found a cat birthday cake recipe, so that's what we're gonna be making right now. The only ingredients we need are tuna, shredded cheese, an egg, and some flour, all of which are completely safe for cats in moderation. So please don't come for me in the comments. Who even makes tin cans without the little pop top on them anymore? It's 2019, Star-Kissed. Get with the times.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy if you do the cooking by the book.
Are you so excited for your party? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. What a sad life cats must lead, where this is what they have to look forward to on this, their most special and honored day of the year. Are you so excited down there? You smell all this magic coming together? And then we just pop this deliciousness in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, we're bringing out the good stuff. I got the nip. You already know what's coming! Okay. Put the mouse in the nip bag and shake. Alright. Look. Hey, hold on. Check it out. Go get him. Oh my gosh. You freaking dismembered your mouse. My gosh. Look, there's still some on his ear. Or did you just tear that off for funsies? I was really worried these little muffin-shaped cancers were gonna leak their smell into my whole house, but I'm pleased to announce that hasn't happened yet. We're just gonna serve one of these up, but they're not done just yet. These things are butt ugly, and I'm gonna see if I can't pretty them up a little with some garnish. Beautiful. And some of these little cat treats.
Wake me up!
Wake me up inside.
Can't wake up!
Wake me.
It's party time! Look what we got for you! You like your cake? Look, it's got our favorite stuff on it. Let's get your party hat on. Oh, so pretty. Come on! I did all this work for you. No, stay! No! Look, it's yummy cake. Doesn't that look so tasty? Yum! Yeah! Come on, girl. Let's see you dig that face in there. Let's see you go hog wild. No. Okay, we gotta open your birthday presents. No. Okay, look. I got you a present. No! Okay, what if I just put like a pile of cheese on the table? Will you eat that? Look, it's a cheese pile, your favorite thing in the whole world. Alright, let's open your presents. A new scratching board? No! Maisie, you didn't even finish your cheese pile. Ungrateful little... Hey, look. Hey, come back. Here's your first present. Let's open it up. Maisie, look. Look, it's a new scratching board. Want to test it out? Yay! There she goes. Hey, so remember how you just freaking gutted your favorite mouse toy like a second ago? Well, hey. I got you a new mouse. It's a brand new mouse toy for your birthday. Hey, listen, I put a lot of work into this birthday party for you. I'm sorry this wasn't up to your standards, but I did put a lot of work into this. Okay, I did put like 30 minutes of work into this, and I need you to at least acknowledge that. Hey. Heart to heart, I love you, girl, but sometimes you're just not that easy to have around. A dog wouldn't treat me like this.